Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by saving work and closing programs so the offline scan can run without interruptions. Next, open Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection. This is where the offline option lives. Once you choose Microsoft Defender Offline, click Scan Now and allow the PC to reboot immediately. This triggers a clean environment for scanning. The tool runs before Windows fully loads, so it can find stealthy malware that hides during normal operation. Once the system reboots, Defender runs in a minimal pre-boot environment designed to detect persistent threats. The scan inspects system files, boot sectors, and hidden locations that regular scans may miss. This is why offline mode is more thorough. Scan time depends on drive size and file counts, so expect anywhere from 15 minutes to over an hour. Do not interrupt the process. Let it finish while it reports progress, and any detections appear on the screen for later review in Windows Security. When Windows restarts, open Windows Security to review results, take recommended actions, and note quarantine or removal details. If problems remain, run a full Windows Defender offline or consider creating vendor rescue media for deeper cleanup. If the offline scan fails to start or stops unexpectedly, check for disk errors with chkdsk, install pending Windows updates, and ensure antivirus definitions are current. Once done, rerun the offline scan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.